If you've written class constructors in JavaScript, you know the pain of repeating yourself over and over. TypeScript has a powerful feature that cuts this boilerplate in half. Traditional class constructors require 3 steps for each property. First, declare the property at the class level. Second, accept it as a constructor parameter. Third, assign the parameter to the property with this .name equals name. This repetition adds up fast with multiple properties. Parameter properties eliminate this redundancy by combining declaration and assignment in a single step. Simply add an access modifier like public or private directly to the constructor parameter. TypeScript automatically creates the property and assigns the value. No separate property declarations. No this.assignments. The same functionality in 1 line per property. The key is the access modifier in the constructor signature. You can use public, private, protected, or read-only. The modifier tells TypeScript to treat this parameter as both a parameter and a property. Without the modifier, it's just a regular parameter that disappears after the constructor runs. Keep in mind this is a TypeScript-exclusive feature. Plain JavaScript doesn't support parameter properties because it doesn't have access modifiers. When TypeScript compiles to JavaScript, it generates the traditional boilerplate code we're trying to avoid. But during development, you get cleaner, more maintainable code. Parameter properties cut constructor boilerplate in half by combining property declaration and assignment through access modifiers. A TypeScript superpower that keeps your classes clean. Practice more TypeScript questions to level up your interview skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.